Hey there, I'm Wayne from Leads Nearby, and in this training video we're going to go over how ServiceTitan and Nearby Now work together. Nearby Now is a premier online reputation service that knows how to generate leads in the home services industry. Their integration with ServiceTitan means our clients can access Nearby Now's powerful tools to drive local rankings and send more leads straight to their website. Most check-ins and review requests will come from the technician's mobile device, tablet, or smartphone, so it makes sense for us to focus on this device for this training. Now, in order for the integration between Nearby Now and ServiceTitan to work, our clients must have the integration added to their account through their Nearby Now portal. If this is not the case, please contact your CSM or the office directly to discuss adding this option to your program. Now, step one, let's assume that the technician has already opened the ServiceTitan app and is signed in. This training will begin from that point. Upon signing in, technicians would see a screen like this that shows them what jobs they have scheduled or dispatched out for the day. Once the technician sees a job that has been scheduled, they can select the job by pressing the job container or the View Current Job button. Step 2. After selecting the job, the technician would click on the Dispatch button. By selecting the Dispatch button, they are letting the company know that they are en route to the job. If the technician has already been dispatched to the job, then there will not be a dispatch button to click, as is the case here. Step 3. Once the technician has arrived at the job, they would signal their arrival at the site by pressing the Arrive button on the app. Step 4. Now, when you are on this screen in the app, there are a few more options, but we are only going to focus on the Invoice button for the purpose of this training. Once the technician has provided the service or services requested, and they are ready to invoice the client, then they will need to press the Invoice option. Step 5. When the technician has pressed the Invoice button, they will be directed to a page that requires the customer to authorize and acknowledge the work provided and the subsequent cost for providing the work. First, the technician will authorize and accept their signature. Then the acknowledgement box will appear and the customer will need to place their signature in there as well and accept it. Once the technician has gone through the rest of the fields, they would press the Summary option. This will direct the technician to the area where the customer's job summary / Nearby Now check-in and review request is created. And finally, step 6. The job summary and Nearby Now check-in come from the same summary that is written in the Invoice Summary field. Once the technician has completed the summary, they will press Save, and that save will trigger a completed job in ServiceTitan, a job summary that is sent out to the customer via email that is on file for them, a Nearby Now review request, and a Nearby Now check-in. Now, for the Nearby Now check-in, this is going to automatically be uploaded to the service area page on your website for the city that is associated with the address listed on file for that customer. As you can see here, when we look at one of our clients' websites and we navigate to the areas we serve page, and from there we go down to the Abington, PA page. Now, if we scroll down, we can see the same text from our ServiceTitan Invoice Summary field on the web page as a Nearby Now check-in. Now, there are definitely some best practices when it comes to doing check-ins. So be sure to check out some of our other Nearby Now videos that go into more detail about that, as well as how to make corrections to existing check-ins if the tech accidentally made a mistake on the ServiceTitan Invoice Summary field. Okay, now let's talk about how you can manage when customers receive Nearby Now check-ins and review requests or not. So clients have the ability to control which customers get check-ins and reviews through their Nearby Now admin dashboard. Once you're logged into the Nearby Now dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the integrations and then ServiceTitan. Here you will find the Invoice Summary Filter Phrase and Invoice Summary Suppression Filter Phrase fields. If both of these fields are empty or blank, then every time your techs fill out the Invoice Summary field in ServiceTitan, that will automatically generate a Nearby Now check-in and review request for that customer. However, if you want to give your technicians the ability to manage which customers should or should not receive a check-in / review request, then here are a couple of ways to do that. One of the ways your techs can manage how check-ins and review requests are sent out to customers is by adding a hashtag in the field labeled Invoice Summary Filter Phrase. For example, entering #review into this field and clicking Save, Nearby Now will scan each invoice summary created through ServiceTitan, and if a matching hashtag is present, then and only then will a check-in and review request be sent to that customer. So if you remember our invoice summary that we created just a moment ago, there were no hashtags in that summary. However, since I now have hashtag review saved as my nearby now invoice summary filter phrase, then our tech would also have to add hashtag review to the ServiceTitan invoice summary field in order for it to generate a check-in/review request for that customer. With this setup, the tech has to remember to add hashtag review to the invoice summary field every time they want to generate a check-in/review request. Another way to manage who gets a check-in and a review request is by using the invoice summary suppression filter phrase. By creating a suppression hashtag, techs will have the option of suppressing or skipping the check-in review request for that specific customer. So in this case, if we enter hashtag no as our suppression filter hashtag, and our tech doesn't want to send a specific customer a review request, then our technician would just need to add hashtag no to the invoice summary field in ServiceTitan in order to opt out of sending that customer a review request. With this setup, check-ins and reviews will always be generated unless the tech wishes to skip the process by putting in hashtag no to skip the check-in review process for individual cases only. If the hashtag is included in the invoice summary field but not present in nearby now, or vice versa, the filter will not take place and the check-in and review will be sent to the customer. And finally, a new feature has also been added in nearby now, and that is the custom field for check-in content. If you enter a valid custom field name in this box, then the content for your check-ins will come from that custom field in ServiceTitan rather than from the invoice summary field. For example, you could create a custom field in ServiceTitan for your jobs called Nearby Now. Then you would enter Nearby Now into this box and save your settings. Nearby Now will now use the information in the Nearby Now custom field for the content of your check-ins. However, if you decide to use a custom field for the check-in content and that field is empty at the time the job is completed, that job will be ignored and will not generate a check-in or a review. I hope that this information was helpful, but if you still have any questions, please be sure to reach out to your CSM or to contact our office directly so we can go over this information with you individually. And as always, be sure to check out some of our other videos I have linked up right here, which are going to give you even more strategies for marketing your service-based business. So make sure you check those out right now. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time.